This is our garage door. So, underneath the roof are all of our electronics. So we use an Arduino board. This is the momentary receiver where we receive the signal from the little remote control. So there's A, B, C, and D. This LED turns on when the upper limit switch is triggered, which stops the door from going any higher. Then these are the wires to the phototransistor. These are the wires to the limit switch, and these are the wires to the laser. The laser is right here, which acts as our emergency, and the phototransistor is receiving the signal from the laser. And there is our motor driver. So, would you please close the door? There you go. Alright, open it. It stops when it reaches this upper limit switch. And it stops when it reaches the emergency. So, open it up. When I trigger the emergency, it stops.